I've only got a limited amount of time for lunch, and the place I need to go is going to take about 25 minutes to get there via city streets. So we're going to attempt the 215 on the Honda Monkey. It'll be 10 miles an hour below the speed limit, but we'll do our best to stay to the side of the road and hopefully not get run over. Only going a couple exits, so it shouldn't be too bad, but we'll see. Ooh, 53. Nice. Miles an hour. Should be able to pick up some speed on this downhill right here. Oh, 60! Yeah, 61, buddy! Yeah! 62! I see 62! Dude, 62 steady. Nice. I wonder what happens if I get in a race tuck. Hi, doggy. I mean, I'm gaining on the car in front of me. Almost doing the speed limit. Not bad. The fact that I can cruise at 60, 62 miles an hour, that's a significant increase over what I was getting before. This pipe definitely helped out, for sure. A slight downhill here, let's see what we can do. Downshifted into third. These two chicks are fighting in the street.